Ayan na!
Okay na, Nikos. Anyway, umattend ba kayo ng leaders training kanina? Yes! So, yung mga GA and probably GE. So, ngayon ang i-highlight natin yung leaders meeting ni Doc Ed sa taas. Hindi sa simultaneous ko lang dito. But the meeting is entirely about AIM World. So, hopefully lahat ng kausap ko dito, more or less, kabisado nyo na yung marketing plan ng AIM Global because you will never be able to understand fully yung AIM World marketing plan because technically speaking, we have a different marketing plan with AIM World. Sino dito nag-NTP na?
Sino ba nag-NTP na?
Okay. NTP, ano yung importance ng NTP? Number one, sa mga members ng AIM Global, dahil new division yung AIM World, kailangan nyo mag-new product policy para ma-activate yung AIM World DTC or AIM World website or webpage. In other words, hindi ma-activate yung AIM World ninyo kung hindi kayo nag-NTP muna. So, the only way you can activate your AIM World is by purchasing the NTP. Clear ba tayo doon? Yes! Yung NTP, 4,980 siya. Tapos, sa US dollars, about 102. Between $5 to $10 ang shipping rate or shipping fee. So, may mga slides ako ipapakita. You can really take a snap para hindi nyo malimutan. Alright? Okay na? Ayan. NTP muna bago ang lahat. Now, AIM Global, para magkaroon ka ng ma-activate yung DTC mo, kailangan naka-NTP kayo. Pag-usapan natin yun. AIM World. First things first, we sent out a memo last April 11. 2 days ago. Kasi nagkaroon ng delay of delivery ng NTP. Sino yung hindi pa dumadating yung NTP nila? Alright, technically speaking, nagkaroon tayo ng problem because ang sabi namin pag nag-purchase kayo ng NTP, dapat meron kayong order ID number. Yes. Now, some distributors, bumili dito over the counter, paid for the 4,980 plus shipping fee, nang wala silang order number. So, hindi ngayon alam na management kanino yung purchase at kanino isi-send. So now, we're having problems with us because almost 4,000 distributors ang kailangan namin i-trace para i-ship yung NTP nila. So, minamano-mano po namin, and this will take another 3 weeks at most before the NTP will arrive at your place. So, for people na dito hindi pa natatanggap yung inyong NTP, kunwari nag-purchase kayo ng wala kayong order ID number, to help us, para matulungan nyo kami, pakitawagan po itong toll-free na nandito sa ilalim. Okay? Kitang-kita po ito sa laki. Ayan. Pakitawagan, meron tayong toll-free number, meron tayong hotline number, meron tayong Viber number. Tawagan niyo po, may makakausap sa inyong personnel, ibibigay niyo yung updated email number ninyo, updated cellphone number ninyo, at saka updated mailing address, yung current mailing address para dumating ng tama sa inyo yung NTP. Are we clear? Yes. So para po matulungan nyo kami kasi yun nga, na i-process yung purchase nang hindi namin alam yung order ID number. So, problema ngayon, namano-mano ng customer service. 4,000 distributors to, hindi po ito basta-basta. Kaya para matulungan nyo kami, please, inform ang ating customer service sa mga numbers na doon. Clear? Now, let's go to AIM World. AIM World is a new division. Now, NTP muna. 102 or 4,980 shipping plus shipping fee of $5 to $40. Ano yung laman ng NTP or new product policy? Again, the importance is para ma-activate yung AIM World DTC ninyo. Without this, hindi ma-activate yung website ninyo or webpage ninyo. May iba-ibang regions. O Region 1, China, Hong Kong, Singapore, Taiwan, shipment fee or shipping fee is 15. Plus yung 102 na NTP, ang babayaran is US $117. Merong Region 2, picture na lang, $18. Region 3 is $25. Region 4 is $25. Region 5 is 35, Region 6 is 35. I-add lang itong shipping fee dun sa NTP price. Okay? Now, this is care of FedEx. Tama ba ako, Jeff? Yeah. Si Jeff yung ating customer service manager. So, ito yung rate ng ating FedEx shipping fee. What else? Ayan, Region 7, 37, Region 8, 40, Region 9, 25. I-add nyo lang dun sa 102. Okay? Flagship product, di-discuss ko lang ng konti ito, a lot of you alam na ito. Ang pinaka-main product na is the iProtect 24/7. iProtect, ano ba to? Okay? Meron, it comes with the carrier necklace. Ito. Okay? Pero hindi siya yung iProtect. Ang iProtect yung nasa loob. Ayan. Ito siya. Okay? Pouch. Yan. So, antibacterial, okay, naka-flower of life ang design itong labas. It's called the sacred geometry. So, sa mga into Fibonacci and all, alam nito. Nakakapag-create ng harmony and peace sa carrier sa mga nagsusol. It comes with iProtect 24/7. What is iProtect 24/7? Ayan. So, alam na iba to. Japanese technology, 30 years of laboratory, yung composition. The main composition is chlorine dioxide. Okay. Chlorine dioxide is being used in the US during the anthrax attack. Okay? So, first of its kind in the world, hindi siya beverage, hindi iniinom, hindi rin siya cosmetics, hindi rin siya supplement, and hindi siya telco or other services. It falls under the new category or Blue Ocean strategy. Sa marketing, yung Blue Ocean strategy, yun yung tinatawag na is creating a new market. Ibig sabihin, category creator. Panibagong category. Category na hindi pa nag-exist. Like, itong iProtect, technically speaking, first time in the world, category creator ang in global, kaya ang tawag dito is a Blue Ocean strategy. So, ano yung importance ng Blue Ocean strategy? Ibig sabihin, yung market, ikaw lang ang merong produkto. So, technically speaking, sa'yo lang yung market kasi wala kang matulad. Yung Red Ocean, ito yung dalawa kasi yung Red Ocean are product that have close similarities to those manufactured by other competitors. Hence, marketing is harder and marketing is harder to sell. Blue Ocean strategy is creating new market for products that are unique, making competition irrelevant. Irrelevant yung competition kasi nga, pagdating sa category, tayo lang yung meron. Alright? Isang characteristic na in global yung we are actually category creator. Okay? So, ang tawag sa kanya, medicinal gadget, something like that. Bagong term. Medicinal gadget. Okay. Tapos, ito siya, antibacterial, antiviral protection against airborne bacteria. So, it's a mobile antibacterial, antiviral protection. Creates a green zone, 2-meter bubble effect around you, na pag may mga pumasok na germs, bacteria, and all, disintegrate ng green zone na to within seconds. Okay, so bago ka apektuhan, bago ka, let's say, nakatsingan ka or whatever, so bago dumating sa'yo, nagdi-disintegrate yan. So you're actually protected. Ayan. Tapos, ano ba? Ayan, pag nakatsingan ka, okay, patabi mo, may TB, marami kasing airborne diseases, di ba? So, nakatsingan ka. Minsan yung patching sa'yo may wet pa.
No, papanood nyo po ba ng maayos? Comment lang po kung malinaw ang aking coverage. So, ang dinidiscuss po ni Sir Surgeon ay yung product natin.
Now, another product of iProtect yung tinatawag na iProtect Home. Kasi ito, para sa'yo. So, we created a new device na pwede mong gamitin yung iProtect sa loob naman ng bahay. Okay, ang itsura niya, ganito.
Yan po yung bago, iProtect Home. Grabe.
Ayan. Kung ito,
Welcome, applying Anipearl.
Ilalagay mo dito, ilalagyan. Tapos may double tape sa likod. Ano lang siya, normal na plastic. Tapos para
Happy at your service.
Ilalagay mo sa loob, ayan. Ito itsura niya. iProtect Home. Ito, iProtect 24/7. Ito, iProtect Home. So, yung iProtect Home, ayan. Ganito. The component of this breakthrough product is proven effective against coronavirus, virus that bring colds and coughing, influenza, even MERS-CoV, yung mga Middle East respiratory syndrome or respiratory virus. So, nadidisintegrate niya. So, pwede itong ilagay sa loob ng bahay. Halimbawa, kwarto ng mga bata. Okay? Ayan, pwede mo ilagay doon. No? Green zone, nag-creation ng green zone. Very marketable siya sa mga first world countries. Pwede mo rin ilagay siya sa refrigerator. Okay? Ayaw. Okay, ano? Marks. Ayan, no? When placed in the refrigerator, it kills immediately to kill salmonella. This bacteria is fatal when eaten or taken in and usually inhabits eggs and poultry products. It prolongs the life of vegetables and fruits kasi pumamatay naman sa vegetables and fruits, bacteria. So, alam mo, napakagandang i-market, lalo na sa first world countries. Kasi yung first world countries, punong-puno ng prutas yung kanilang ref. Sa Pilipinas, tubig at yelo. Naman itlog. Kaya ayan, pag nilagay nyo, protected o kaya, alam mo yun, napoprolong yung longevity ng, may tsinelas sa ref. So yan, pwede. Tapos pwede rin siya sa kotse. Okay? Yan pwede siya sa kwarto, etc. Yan, even sa car, pwede niyong ilagay. Okay? iProtect Home ang tawag. Okay? Next. Ayaw mana nito. Ayan, sa kotse, protected, protect every time, everywhere. Next. Second product, alam niyo na to, yung ating Care Relief Patch. Study says 1.5 billion people experience pain. Okay? Tapos, it's a big market kasi, alam mo na, apekto ng productivity, how we relate our family, our finances, and our well-being. Ano laman yan? Ang Care Relief Patch, it's doctor formulated. Ayan. Ang patent niya, pending pa. Korean technology. So, para siyang salon pass, but hindi yung init ng salon pass. Iba yung ano niya. All natural, non-addictive, another breakthrough product. 9 ingredients infused microlayers combined in this latest nanotechnology innovation. Just to give you the highlight, although a lot of you have seen this already, first thermal relief patch in the world to utilize nanodiamond technology. Okay? Ayan, nanodiamonds. Ito yung mga active ingredients niya. Okay. Active ingredients. Grapeseed oil. It gets in contact with skin, opens up the pores, allowing active ingredients to come in. Therefore, it alleviates inflammation. Yan yung una niyang ingredient. 9 yan eh. Sorry. Ano ba? Grapeseed, tsaka germanium. Components actually germanium.
Hello, Meli Hosaka of Japan. Hello, Ray. Willie Rico from Kazakhstan. Hello.
If you try to research this, there are over 200 types of illnesses and diseases that actually tinutulungan ng turmeric. Which contains the active ingredient curcumin, which has very potent anti-inflammatory properties and a very powerful antioxidant. Chinese and Indian medicine has been utilizing this healing property for more than 1,000 years. Kaya makikita nyo yung curry ng Indian, yung kulay niya, ganon, because of turmeric. And alam nyo, the Indians, they have thousands of years of history pagdating sa herbal medicine at saka natural healing. Okay?
Thank you, partner Maria Cristina Brosa.
Herbal remedy used since the Middle Ages for its anti-inflammatory properties, wound healing, diuretic.
So ngayon po, dinidiscuss yung Care Leaf.
Anxiety and depression. Bagay ito sa may mga arthritis. Another component is capsaicin, ito, chili, which is delivered from red chili peppers. It's a natural source of endorphin, relieving stress and pain.
Sorry naman po, partner Joe.
Silver ion has healing properties and known for its ability to kill bacteria and viruses. So, all natural pa rin. And of course, Korean ginseng has been used for hundreds of years to combat widespread musculoskeletal pain, fatigue, and swelling. Kasi ano siya a Korean technology. It has vitamin C which help ease the pain after exercise. Ayan yung laman niya. Now, ito yung Wellness Advisory Council ng buong AIM Global or AIM World. Ayan, from Japan, Philippines, of course, kasama din dyan si Doc Ed, and kasama dyan yung nag-invento ng iProtect 24/7. The inventor of the iProtect 24/7, ayan, which is a Japanese, is included in our advisory board or advisory council. So, well-researched lahat ng mga produkto natin, pinag-isipang mabuti, kaya ang AIM Global Products, ang appeal niya, lalo na pag nagamit na ng mga tao, ibang-iba kasi pinag-aralan munang mabuti bago i-release sa market. Okay ba yan? And of course, napakalaking advantage natin, the owner, the founder, being a doctor, so alam mo na, medical inclined, pinag-aaralan niya mabuti talaga bago siya maglabas ng mga product. Again, just to give you the highlight marketing plan, tandaan nyo, ang price ng iProtect, SRP, $50. Ang distributor price, 36. Ang weight niya, 20 grams. Commissional points is 500 pesos. I-convert na natin ng dollars to kasi it is designed actually sa dollar currency. Rapid binary is 30. Positional points for your stair set is 0.3. Saan ginagamit yung repeat binary? Product to tao. Doon ginagamit yung repeat binary. So, pag nakaabot ito ng 1,200 points, that's another 1.5. What else? Yung iProtect, same price. iProtect Home, $50, SRP, distributor price, 36. Same din. Yung kanyang repeat binary, same din ang commissional, same din ang positional points. Next, yung Care Lift is $40. Okay? $40, $30 distributor price, 30 grams ang weight, commissional points, mas mababa ng konti, 400. Repeat binary, mas mababa rin, 25. And positional, 0.25. Ang isa, meron siyang 20 patches. Meron ang isang pouch, pack. Meron siyang 20 patches. Okay. Teka lang. Parang kulang. Alright, let's go to AIM World Global Package. Kasi maglalabas din tayo ng Global Pack exclusively for AIM World Division. Ang laman niya, meron siyang 3 sachets of the iProtect 24/7. Of course, it comes with the carrier necklace already. Are we clear?
Yeah.
So, ang ilan ng laman? 3. Tapos, isang iProtect Home. Isang ganito. Okay? And then, 5 sachet or 5 case ng Care Lift. 5 packs. So, ang laman nun, lahat yan yung tinatawag nating AIM Global or AIM World Global Pack. Ang retail price niya is 400 without even the price of the necklace. Kasi tignan nyo, di ba? Magkano yung 3 sachet ng iProtect? 150 na yun. O tapos yung isang iProtect Home, another 50. So 150 plus 200 na. Plus yung ano pa, Care Lift. 200 ulit. So 400 na yun. Hindi pa kasama yung carrier. So itong carrier, ilagay mo na sa $30 to $50. So ang talagang suggested retail price niya nasa 430, 450. Na ang distributor price, kukunin mo lang ng $268. Ang binary points niya dahil na global pack is 1, 2. Oh, ways to earn, the marketing plan of AIM World. Ito, mas ma-appreciate nito kung kapisado niyo na yung marketing plan ng AIM Global. Retailing, direct sponsoring, match and bonus, use level, stair step, travel incentive, royalty, at saka profit sharing. Unahin natin. Pag nag-retail ka, meron kang 25%. So, ano yan? Across the board. Direct sponsoring. Pag meron ka nakuha 1 left and 1 right, global pack binili, mas mataas. meron kang 25 US dollars. Pag kinonvert mo to sa peso, that is not 500. That is 1,100. Remember, sa AIM Global, pag may bumili ka ng global, may bumili sa global pack, how much is the direct referral? 500. Under AIM World, pag may bumili, 25 US dollars or 1,100 pesos. Ganda o maganda? So, dalawa yan, 25 and 25, may 50 ka. Okay? Now, yung match sales bonus natin is the same, 33 US dollars. That's equivalent to 1,500 pesos. So, ang nagbago lang yung direct referral. So, every time na may direct referral ka, hindi 500. 25 US dollars. Okay? Tapos, ganun pa din. Per each account is 33. Maximum is 16 pairs per day, which is equivalent to 528 US dollars or 3,696 per week, which is equivalent to 15,840 US dollars per month. This is also equivalent to what? 24,000 pesos per day. Bakit sa gross? Kasi on the 5th cycle, meron kayong GC. Diba? Meron kayong gift certificate. So this is gross. So more or less, this is also equivalent to the global, AIM Global Marketing Plan, which is 24,000 pesos per day. Next, go to the Unilevel bonus. Pareho lang sa Unilevel. Pag may direct ka, 5% on the placement and another 5%. Kaya 5 plus 5 is 10. Pag direct mo. Pag hindi mo na direct, mula second level hanggang 10th level, magkano? 5%. So pareho lang sa AIM Global. Of course, meron pa rin dynamic compression. Like, pag yung 10th level mo, 9th level mo hindi nag-maintain, aakyat sa'yo yung 10, yung 11 and 12. So dynamic, umaakyat pa rin pag may hindi nag-maintain down the line. So technically speaking, pag hindi nag-maintain yung mga downlines mo on the 10th level, pwedeng umabot hanggang 20th level, meron kang Unilevel bonus. Are we clear? Yes. So wala halos difference. Pero, pagdating dito sa stair-step, mamaya explain ko, doon medyo may major difference. And that will give you bigger income or higher earning potential. Ganun pa din, no time frame, no reversion, no demotion, no pass out. 10% silver executive, 20% gold executive, and 30% global ambassador. And then infinity or next higher rank. Ito yan. No pass up rule, push up. Ano na to? Pag may global ambassador sa ilalim, pataas, global ambassador din. We also apply the royalty income. Up to the 5th level of your global ambassador, you get 2%, 2%, 2%, and 2% until infinity. Dun sa global ambassador on the 5th level. So, madaling intindi. Tama ba? Yes. Are you with me?
Yes.
Oh. Tapos, ayan, $268 is equivalent to what? 1,200 binary points. Ang isang global pack, ito na yung major difference. So, you have to really pay attention at this part, to this part. Ang isang global pack ng AIM World, may inassign kaming stair-step points kung tawagin. So, ibig sabihin, yung global pack ng AIM World, meron siyang stair-step points. Ang AIM Global, wala. Tama ba?
Yes.
Ang AIM World, meron. Magkano? 45 US dollars or equivalent to 2,000 pesos. Direct. Teka lang, excite na sila. Teka lang, okay? You have to be very clear. You have to pay attention to this. I have to be clear about this. Ganito yan. Ano yung use ng stair-step points? Bakit may stair-step points? Yung global pack ng AIM World. Halimbawa, ikaw to. Labas na yung ano dito unilevel, stair-step, tsaka binary. Panibago to. Pag ikaw meron na pabili, okay, no global pack, magkano ang direct referral mo? 25. Pero dahil may inassign tayo na stair-step points dun sa global pack ng AIM World, guess what? For example, okay, ito, ano pa rin tayo, nasa direct referral, di ba? Para hindi kayo malito. Ikaw, global pack mo, may 25 ka. Pag ito naman ang merong nakuha, siya naman ang merong 25. Alinaw? Okay. Let's go to stair-step points for AIM Global. Okay? Ayan. you will earn additional stair-step commission for global packs. Oh, paano yun? Halimbawa, silver executive ito. Tapos yung downline niya, distributor. Magkano ang overrides ni SE? Magkano? 10%. So, ano ibig sabihin ng 10%? Si SE, mula sa direct niya na distributor, down the line until infinity, every time na may bumibili ng global pack, meron siyang 10% of the $45. Are you with me? Magkano 10% ng 45? $4.5. So, ang ibig sabihin niyan, ayan, may 45, may 4.5, may 4.5, lahat na bibili dito. One leg pa lang yan. Meron pang kabila. Now, in this marketing plan, kahit hindi pa bumabangga, may tira ka na. Exciting? Sa layman's term na marketing plan, we call that one-leg pairing. Now, this is SE, remember. Ang nakakabaliw dito, yung mga GA. Ang swerte. Bago tayo pumunta sa SE, example ko muna. What if 4.5 yan? Remember, in AIM, meron tayong tinatawag na double maintenance. Yung maintenance mo, doblehin mo. Kasi pag may double maintenance ka, 1 GC na maintenance at saka 1 cash. Naalala niyo to? Ano tawag dito? Double maintenance. Pag nag-double maintenance ka, we add additional 20% to your commission. To your commissional points. So, ibig sabihin, ano mangyayari doon sa $45 times 20%. Yes niyo siya? Lahat ng AIM World Global Pack, down the line, pag nag-double maintenance ka, hindi 45, kundi $45 plus 20%. What is 20% of $45? 9. So, ang basis of your commission is not 45 anymore, but 49. So, ano mangyayari? Itong 4.5 magiging 4.9. So, padami ng padami. Okay, ito yung question. Paano pag nag-triple maintenance? 5.4 pala kasi 4.5 plus 9. Diba? 4.5 plus 9 is actually 5.4. Sabi nung nagbibideo, dahil nakatingin siya sa akin, bumababa ng video. Ayan, no. 5.4 for global pack. So, isipin nyo gano'n madami. Paano pag triple maintenance ka? Paano yung triple maintenance? 1 GC, 2 cash. We give you additional 30% on your stair-step commission. So, pag nag-triple maintenance ka, magkano na? Hindi na 4.5. 5.85 per G. Ito malupit. Until infinity and no flash out. Good or very good? Kaya in this marketing plan, nagdagdag kami sa inyo ng commission. Okay. What if GE ka? Same principle. Pag GE ka, ilang percent mo sa lahat ng downlines mo ng distributor? 20 minus 0, you get 20%. So you get $9 per GP. Down the line, from your direct until infinity. Again, the question is, paano pag nag-double ka? That's already 10.8. Paano pag nag-triple maintenance ka? Meron pang 11 or almost $12. Exciting? Yes! So, isipin nyo mabuti, one leg pa lang, basta may bumibili ng GP, nag-AIM World, bumibili, kumikita na tayo. Ito pinakamasarap. Paano kung GA ka? You get 30%. Alam mo, 13.5 per GP. Mag-double maintenance ka, $16. Mag-triple maintenance ka, almost $18 ang overrides mo per GP. Not including pairing bonus, match sales bonus, unilevel, and your overriding commission as stair-step to the bull. Tignan natin kung makatulog pa kayo.
Grabe.
Of course, we also have AIM World Marketing Plan and all. Ayan, yung ating profit sharing. Okay? Websites in different translations. We're coming up with a lot of translations already. Para pagka sinend nyo yung link to different nationalities, pwede nyo lang maintindihan yung AIM Global or AIM World. We have in English, of course. We have in Arabic, mga basic languages, Japanese, Korean. Oh. Ito, just to highlight, yung pinakita kong unang marketing plan, that is applicable in almost 200 countries all over the world. Except for the big 4 countries that I will be discussing. Ano yung big 4 marketing? Ano yung big 4 countries? Madali lang tandaan. US and Canada, New Zealand and Australia. Magkakatabi kasi yun kaya madaling tandaan. Iba ang marketing plan doon because in these countries, they are very strict when it comes to multiple accounts. When it comes to yung maraming head, maraming accounts. So technically speaking, hindi tayo pwedeng mag-multiple heads doon. Na kunwari ang structure mo, tatlo agad, pito agad, no. They do not allow. By law, it's not allowed. So we came up with a marketing plan that will comply with their local laws. Especially with regards to their Securities and Exchange Commission. So meron tayong different marketing program for 4 countries. We came up with different packages. Okay, ulitin ko lang ha. US, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia. We came up with different packages in these countries. Number 1, meron tayong tinatawag na Sapphire, which is equivalent to 1 account. We have Emerald, 1 account pa rin siya by structure, pero ang pricing niya pang 3 accounts. We have the Diamond, by structure, isa rin lang siya, pero by price, by points, by commission, it is equivalent to 5 global packs. So how do we go about this? Sapphire, parang yung isang AIM World Global Pack. Okay, meron din siyang iProtect 3, meron siyang iProtect Home, isa, tapos merong 5 Care Leaf Relief Patch. Yung Sapphire, i-times 3 mo lang. Okay? I-times 3 mo lang. Ganun din siya, yung yung Sapphire times 1. Yung Emerald, i-times 3 mo lang yung price. Yung 268 times 3, it's $804 US. Total value niya, syempre, mas malaki, 1,370 kasi naging times 3. Ang binary points niya, naging times 3 din. Ang stair-step points niya is actually not times 3. It's even bigger. Kasi di ba, remember, ilan ulit ang stair-step ng isang global pack? 45. Pag times 3 mo yun, that's only $125 US. Pero ito, naging $160 US. Ngayon, kung ita-times 5 mo siya, ang tawag Diamond Global Pack. Okay? 1,340 ang amount. Times 5 mo lang lahat ng content from the original one. You get $2,430 US price. Binary points is times 5 also, which is 6,000. And stair-step commission or stair-step points is equivalent to $300 US. Ano pagkakaiba sa marketing class? Mas madaling i-explain ko ng mano-mano. Okay, 9 ways to earn. Merong earn, daily, monthly, and yearly. Okay? Ganun din. Sa countries na yun, $25 US. Okay, pag nagbenta ka, again, ang shipment, pwede manggaling dito sa atin, FedEx, tayo magpapadala. Earn $25 to $125 per global pack. Depende sa, bakit 25 hanggang 125? Kasi depende sa package. Pwede Sapphire, Emerald, and Diamond. Ayan, iba-iba. Kaya iba-iba. Direct referral niya, iba-iba rin. Siyempre, pag may pa-diamond ka, mas malaki direct referral mo. Kaya kung may capacity, at saka sa States, believe me, napaka-affordable sa kanila ng diamond. Kasi mga tao doon, kumikita na $3,000 US, $4,000, $5,000. So, what is 1,300 kung bibili sila, mag-invest sila. So, may capacity to buy or purchase sa mga tao doon. Pag meron kang napa-qualify, nag-sapphire sa'yo. Pag sapphire, meron kang 25. Pag diamond, yung nag-qualify sa'yo, bumili sa'yo, may 125 ka. Pag emerald, merong 75. So, iba-iba. O, pag-usapan natin yung binary pairing bonus. Left and right. Your team will be divided in two groups. O, ikaw to. Okay? Dito sa kabila, every time na nagkakaroon ng 1,200 points, sa kabila, nakaka 1,200 points. Bakit 1,200 points? Kasi isang global pack is equivalent to 1,200 points. 1, 2, 1, 2, you get 33. It doesn't matter kung, products to products, tao sa tao, or products to tao. Ayan. O, sapphire to sapphire, may 33 ka. O, paano kung emerald to emerald? O, di may 99 ka. Pero by structure, iisa lang yung head mo, remember? Naalala nyo? Yes. Pero mas malaki yung pairing bonus mo. Okay? Kasi mas malaki yung binary points. So, times 3. Kaya in a way, parang rin siyang times 3 by structure, pero by appearance, iisa lang. O paano pag nag-diamond to diamond? O di mas malaki, 165. Do you follow? Yes. Okay. Binary pairing points. Now, what if ganito mangyari? Yung left leg mo may 6,000 points kasi nag-diamond. Sa kabila, pwede ng combination, sapphire, sapphire, at saka emerald. This is also equivalent to 6,000 points. So, 165 pa rin yan. So, pwedeng dito, merong nag-diamond, pero dito, merong 5 na sapphire. Kasi pag 5 sapphire, technically speaking, 6,000 points din yun. So, pwedeng isang tao lang dito na ang equivalent niya sa kabila, 5 tao. Diba? Gets niya? So, by principle, ang pinag-uusapan dito by principle, points. Okay. Again, repeat binary points, the bigger your reorder will be. Oh, global package to global package, 33. Pag sapphire. Global pack, product to product, 33 pa rin. Product to tao. Tapos meron product to product. Ang tawag natin dyan, repeat binary. So minsan, lumalaki yung grupo ninyo, product to product lang, nagkaka-commission ka nang wala talagang nag-join na global pack. Some of you are enjoying this already, particularly may mga group na malaki na rin. Oh, maximum potential income is the same. May second cycle, may first cycle. Siyempre, ang susunding cycle, Hong Kong. Hong Kong time. GMT plus 8 hours yun. Okay, babantayan yun. In fact, ginawa ni Doc Ed na hindi pang-pito yung diamond kasi pag in-encode yun, maraming mapa-flash out sa inyo. Kaya ang maximum ginawang 5. Ngayon, I was asking Doc a few weeks ago, Doc, kanino mo isa-send yung code? Siyempre, dun sa may-ari ng package. Kaya dun po isi-send sa downline nyo na siyang mag-i-encode.
Yari.
Hindi. Totoo yun, pero ginagawa pa namin ng paraan na naka-CC yung mga upline. Yung carbon copy sa email. Kasi email yun. Yeah. Para din magkaroon ka ng chance na makontrol. Kasi ang Team Global naman mabait naman. Ayaw namin kayo mag-plano. Okay. Gets nila? Pareho lang. $15,840 times 45 or more or less. That's 24,000 pesos per day. Pero again, gross pa rin. Kasi may GC kayo. Tanong nung iba, sir, ano GC niya? Siyempre, in-world. Alam ka namang hintayin yung GC niya, makakuha ba akong white light dyan? Gulo mo? Kaya nagtanong sa akin kasi niya. Ayan, kaya prepare ninyo, GC, ang flash out ninyo, 8 by 8 pa rin. Are we clear? Yes! So wala nang masyadong pagkakaiba. Same way, 5 plus 5, 10% in your first direct, 5% your second and 10. Dynamic compression applies. Unilevel commission ng bawat product, 500 pesos, pero i-convert pa po namin ito ng US dollars. By the way, ang payout natin sa AIM World, wala pa siyang daily. Ang encashment ng mga downlines ninyo, weekly pa lang. Kasi dito sa Pilipinas, di ba, may daily kayo? Okay, sa AIM World, lahat ng under ng AIM World, hindi pa ready yung facility natin for daily payout, will always be in a weekly basis. Are we clear? Yes. Depende sa origin. Pag ang origin ng nag-AIM World nasa ibang bansa, ang encashment niya US dollars. Pag ikaw, Pilipinas, AIM World yung nag-pairing sa'yo, bumangga sa AIM Global, peso yung makukuha mo. Kasi, the thing you have to understand is this. Di ba may waiting na kayo sa AIM Global? Yes. Pag nag-encode kayo, ilalagay nyo sa weekly yung AIM World. Yes. Tanong, babangga hindi? Babangga. So, AIM World sa kabila, AIM Global sa kabila, may kita ka, tama? Yes. Peso nyo pong makukuha yung pag nasa Pilipinas. So, technically speaking, hindi kayo magsisimula sa zero, babanggaan nito yung existing ninyo. Hindi nyo ba alam nyo? Hindi kayo magsisimula sa simula. Yung existing DTC nyo sa AIM World, yung existing DTC nyo sa AIM Global, yun na yun. Lalagyan lang ng mirror DTC para nakikita nyo saan nag-encode yung download sa ibang bansa. Kasi pag nag-encode siya ng AIM World, saan niya i-encode yun? Di ba sa website ng AIM World? Eh wala naman siya, originally nagsimula siya ng AIM World, hindi naman AIM Global eh. Kaya pag may downline ka, o kayo mismo nag-encode kayo ng AIM Global, or AIM World pala, sorry, babanggaan nun yung existing na AIM Global ninyo. Akala niyo ba simula? Gugutom ako sa inyo. Gusto ko kanina yung pumasok nito. Hindi, totoo yun. Yung existing is saying global, whatever weighting you have, you encode the weekly, paparis to you. It's not a separate entity. It's the same. Ngayon, di ba, ang nangyari? AIM World, US dollars. AIM Global, ang binangga ang peso. Ano yung cashment mo? Peso pag nasa Pilipinas ka. Pero pag ako taga Korea, America, may existing akong AIM Global, nasa Japan ako, may nag-encode ng AIM World, ano yung cashment ko? US dollars. Aliwanag? Yes. Okay. Dynamic compression applies. Pag may hindi nag-maintain, akit sa inyo yung commission. Ganun din, ganun pa rin yung ano natin, stair-step, walang pagkakaiba, 10, 100, 1,000. 0.3, 0.3, 0.25 ang inyong positional points. Overriding commission, no time frame, reversion, no demotion, no cost. They're basically the same. Ito, pagkakaiba. Sapphire, 45 USD. Emerald, 160. Diamond, 300 ang basis ng commission. So what will happen? Ganda example dito. Ang silver executive, hindi na lang namin ginawang animation na tao. Kasi kanina tao, di ba? Pag meron kang downline, SE ka, na bumili ng sapphire, magkano mo? Until? Pag may downline ka, bumili ng emerald, magkano mo? 16. Pag emerald. Pero itong emerald, may napadownline na sapphire, magkano mo? Si diamond, meron ka na downline, napa-diamond. Meron kang 13 US dollars. Again, paano pag double maintenance, triple maintenance? Pag GE ka, sa sapphire, meron ka 9 US dollars. Pag emerald, meron kang 32. Pag diamond, meron kang 60. Everything applies until infinity and no rush. Okay? Global Ambassador, 30%. You get 13.5, 48, and 19. Now, you have to understand this. Siyempre, pag GE ka, you get 20%. Tama? Now, kanina, doon sa example natin, distributor to. Ilang percent mo? 20. Tanong, pag na-promote ng SE, magbabago ba? Yes. Magiging? 10 na lang. Kasi siyang SE, siya naman ang may 10 sa mga downlines niya ng distributor. Ganun din, pag naging GA to, a GA gets 30%. Pag may napa-SE siya, ilang percent niya? 20. O, pero pag ito naging GA, magkano na? 10. So, nababawasan pagka napopromote. Same rule applies. O, pag GA to GA, magkano? Okay. Pag SE to SE? Ha? Kala ko 10 eh. 0. No, tama, 0. 0. G to G. G to G. 0. 0 ulit. Sabi ko sa G to G. G to GA. Ha? GA to GA. 2%. Di ba? Tama ba?
Yes.
Royalty income until 5th level, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%. Okay. 2% from breakaway, etc. Until the 5th level, may 2% cut. It only cuts off until the 6th level. Until infinity. Now, you have to know this. To be qualified, magkano monthly maintenance mo para ma-enjoy mo yung level at saka stair step? 0.3334 or equivalent to 2 C24/7 or equivalent to 2, ilang GC yan? Dalawang GC yan. Dalawang GC cycle. Your 5th and 10. Pwede mong magamit yon as maintenance kung ayaw mong bumili ng dalawang C24/7. Maliwanag po ba? Now, you have to also understand this. Yung ating maintenance is advanced maintenance. Kung gusto mong makuha yung commission mo ng halimbawa, May, kailan ka magme-maintain? April. Mag-maintain ka ng April para sa commission mo sa May na makiklaim mo sa June 15. Maliwanag ba tayo doon? Okay. What else? To get bigger income, pwede kang mag-double maintenance. 1 GC and 1 cash. To get bigger commissions, even bigger, pwede kang mag-triple maintenance. 1 cash and 2 GCs. Ito malalaki lalo sa mga GA dito. I encourage you to do the double maintenance and triple maintenance kasi panalo kayo dahil ang lalaki ng commission ninyo. Okay, re-entry bonus. This is hindi naman complicated pero we want to highlight. Lalagyan ko ng mano-mano para maintindihan nila. Okay? Di ba? Halimbawa, re-entry. Kaya ano ibig sabihin nito? Kunwari, bumili ka ng Emerald. Emerald Global Pack is equivalent in price and in points and in commission to how many? 3 times. Tama ba ako? So, times 3 lahat, yung presyo, etc. So, technically speaking, dapat tatlo yung existing account mo. Kaya lang, dahil sa 4 big countries na to, hindi pwede na yung structuring. Sa una, by law, pwede ka lang mag-multiple pag sa marketing plan mo, meron kang na-reach na certain level. What do we mean? How do we apply it to AIM Global Pack Digital? Nag-Emerald Global Pack ka, which is equivalent to 3. Tama? Nag-network ka na. Nag-network ka na left and right. Kasi kahit equivalent to 3 to, by structure, isa lang yan. So, lumaki. Left and right mo, lumaki. Sabihin na natin lumaki. Now, our marketing plan, ang rule, merong tinatawag, ang feature, not rule, sorry for the term. One of the many features of this marketing plan is this. Merong tinatawag na re-entry bonus. Ano yung re-entry bonus? Pag lumaki yung grupo mo at umabot ang reorder ng 10 points, guess what? Lalagyan ka namin automatic ng additional head dito. Isisingit ka. Ayaw niya. Sabi ko sa'yo, ganun. Galit. Ilalagay namin yung re-entry mo sa strong leg. Pag naka 10 points ka. Good or very good?
Very good.
Kasi ibig sabihin ito, additional account, income yan.
Additional account.
Are we clear? Pag umabot ka, okay, sabayan ko nito, 10 points yan, no? May re-entry ka dito. Okay? Automatic. Pag umabot ng 20, may re-entry ka sa weak leg mo. Lalabas na yung pangatlong account mo. Na ang structure, nasa ibabaw pa din. May company ganito ginawa. Yung kanilang re-entry, wala dito, nandito. Sayang. Kasi yung dinaanan. Nag-gets niyo siya? Sa atin hindi ganon. Yung re-entry mo, nakaabang lang dito, kaya ikaw pa rin ang upline, dadaanan pa rin lahat ng account. Good or very good? Applies sa Diamond account. O, pag diamond account, ilan dapat technically? 5. Okay? 5. Pero, dahil mabait ang AIM Global, kahit diamond ka, hindi 5 ang re-entry mo. 6 ang re-entry mo. Ang galing, no? Pangilan lang ang binayaran mo doon sa diamond? 5. Pero ang re-entry mo, good for 7 accounts. So, mayroon kang additional 6. So, ganun din. Pag naka-10, dito may re-entry. Pag naka-20, dito. Pag naka-40, yung third head or fourth head mo nandito. Pag naka-60, dito yung fifth account. Pag naka-80, dito yung sixth account. Pag ikaw naging SE sa reorder na to, sorry, pag naging 100 points, dito, yung 7th account mo lalabas dito. So technically, nasa ibabaw ka pa din ng buong network. So ito, i-apply ito at saang bansa, saang downlines? Sa Big 4. So yun yung ano niya, yun yung mechanics ng ating AIM world. Yun ang pagkakaiba. Alright? Ayan, 7. Tapos, the company shares profit to qualified global ambassadors. Again, yung mga leaders dito, bibigyan namin kasi kayo ng copy ng marketing plan na to. PowerPoint, para yun din ang mai-present ninyo. Kasi we will be needing your help to also disseminate the information. Okay ba yan? So, i-highlight nyo pambaliw. Meron tayong level 1, level 2, and level 3. Last year, the highest profit sharing awardee was Maylin Abdani and of course, Mike Ebrio. They got about 3, no? Yes. Last year na contest team with John Perrin Award natin last February 27, if you can remember. Pinakamalaki, 3 million. Let me tell you this, that is only level 1. Wala pang, in history ng AIM, wala pang nakakakuha ng level 2 at saka level 3 profit sharing. With the AIM World, we are hoping na marami nang makakakuha ng level 1, level 2, and level 3. Alam niyo na yun, na pag nakuha niyo yung profit sharing, na global ambassador ka, automatic na yung travel incentive.
Yes.
Pero pagka hindi ka pa global ambassador na nakuha mo yung travel ka lang, wala kang profit share. But the same mechanics, the same requirements apply to both incentives. Clear? Exciting?
Yes.
Oh. Ayan, yung ating naging profit sharing, 3 million. Okay, level 1 pa lamang yan. We have Europe trip. Of course, we have USA trip. We've gone to Korea last, hindi ko na matandaan. Sa dami ng trip. Europe, Philippines, Hong Kong. Kanino tong Philippine trip?
Nigeria.
Hindi, sa mga Nigerian. Kasi sa kanila pa lang, siyempre, so third world country, fourth world country pa nga siguro. Big deal na sa kanila yung makapunta sa Pilipinas. Kaya DocEd has come up with this plan na merong Philippine. Kaya nakikita nyo pag-rally, ang daming mga Nigerian. Because of that, baliw na baliw sila sa Pilipinas. Dinala namin sila sa Ace Water Spa. Sabi kami, banding. Sabi kay Doc, Doc, you should bring this to Nigeria. Pinadadala kay Doc yung Ace Water Spa. You should bring this to Nigeria. But they are very warm. And let me tell you, sa bilis ng mga Nigerians, what we've created for 5 years, tinrabaho lang na kanila ng 3 years. Kaya ang dami po nagiging millionaire doon. Kaya we encourage you to do online, we encourage you to tap the market there because 200 million population ng Nigeria. So, of course, with the onset of AIM World and all, ang dami natin pwedeng maging market aside from Nigeria, meron tayo 200 countries all over the world. Ang question ng maraming tao, kanino ako magpa-market ng AIM World? Well, mag-market din ng AIM World sa mga countries na wala tayong DCO. Kasi pagka may DCO, syempre, ang market niyo doon, AIM Global. Nagkakaproblema kasi tayo minsan sa mga countries na walang DCO, tapos nagpapadala kayo ng products kung na commercial volume. Sinusunog doon, kinoconfiscate doon, minsan hindi na nire-return to sender, talo kayo. So yung mga onliners natin, namulit kay DocEd, please come up with a product na hindi nasisitahin. Pero pwede kami mag-build ng network. So DocEd came up with this idea. para makapag-build kayo ng network kahit na hindi na haharangin. Tapos door-to-door delivery pa. So technically speaking, hindi natin kailangan may office doon. Hindi katulad dati, pag AIM Global, kailangan mo may office. With AIM World, kahit walang office ang AIM Global doon, pwede magkaroon ng network in 200 countries. Okay? You can now order AIM Global package. Magsisimula to sa April 15. Available na po ang AIM World Global Pack. Lagi akong kulang ng AIM World. AIM World GP will be available on April 15 and accepted on all major credit cards. Andyan ba si Jeff? Wala na. Umalis na si Jeff. Okay. Meron kaming mga remittance center accredited for people outside the Philippines na walang credit card and they would like to make payments. So merong mga accredited remittance centers where they can make the payment. Like, ang natatandaan ko sa dami ng list, MoneyGram. Okay, merong MoneyGram. Kasi minsan may mga prospects kayo na gustong bumili pero walang credit card. So they can actually send their money sa account ng AIM Global dun sa mga accredited. Ilan ba yung Nikos? Marami rin yan. Di ba? I think 30 rin. Ano? Hindi ako ikakamali nasa 30. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, of course, this idea, wala namang ibang mag-iisip nito kundi si Dr. Ed Gabanto, kaya palakpakan namin. So, with these developments, we are hoping and we are very confident that, mas lalaki tayo all over the world, mas lalaki yung mga commission ninyo. That's why this is actually the high time para mag-join at maging seryoso. Pioneering stage ulit kayo.
Tama.
Yung mga makukuha nyo mag-join, nasa pioneering stage ulit ang AIM Global because of this new division. Aside from the fact that it's a blue ocean strategy, it's a new category, kaya yung mga bagong mag-join, fresh or virgin na virgin pa rin ang market para sa kanila. So, we have like 8 months before the year ends. Set your goal. Marami pang mga mangyayari. I want you to be there during the anniversary kasi marami pa kaming revelation sa anniversary. Marami pong i-reveal na good news and updates si Doc Ed. The anniversary will start, the convention will start by May 27, 28, 29, and 30. May 27, sa mga hindi naka-attend, it's gonna be in Connect Astrodome training, in Academy training. May 28 will be fun run, fundraising for 10 foundations. So we will run, pag nakapunta ka na sa finish line, bubuhusan ka ng paint. Yeah, yung possible paint. Pero, sa gabi kasi may concert, tapos may mga blue light or black light sa paligid, so na-highlight, magiging neon yung tinayin sa'yo. And we're gonna have like dancing and concert all night, something like that for bonding. Kasi doon namin kay Baban, we are hoping to have about 10,000 participants, including of course our international delegations. So parang may bonding namin kayo sa mga Nigerians, Pakistanis, mga ganyan, para maging maging magkakadikit kayo. Tapos, May 28 yun. May 29 will be our anniversary at the Philippine Arena. So, magmula ngayon, work hard para marami kayong participants sa Philippine Arena dahil maniwala ka, kung gano'n nakaka-motivate ang NTO, pag nakapunta ka sa Philippine Arena, 1,000 times ang motivation na makukuha. Never miss the opportunity. And of course, the last day, sending off na to, the highlight of the event, yung ating May 30 event, this is going to be arena night where the distributors will be wearing formal attire, the guys will be in tuxedos, mga girls nasa nightgown, cocktails, etc. So, yun, napakaganda okasyon nun because once in a while, makikita may mga distributors na nakaayos ng gusto maghapong nasa parlor or salon. Oo, so makikita mo sila doon, artistahin, may mga slit na agad dito mula roon. So, yun mga kaibigan, so we are hoping that you were able to grasp yung information fully para kayo din maging katulong namin sa pag-spread ng AIM Global, AIM World to a lot of your distributors, a lot of your downlines. Kasama niyo po ang AIM Global sa pagpapalaki ng grupo, pumayo kayo at magpangarami. Maraming salamat.